Don't do for your kids what they can do by themselves, how to build independence and a better and easier life for yourself in the long run. This is Francesca, and I would be honored to be your parenting coach. In this short, why it's not a good idea always to do for your kids the things that they are already able to do or they are nearly able to do. It's not a good idea because you don't teach them to learn to do the thing if you keep doing it yourself for them. I know life is busy, and sometimes it's much faster for us to do for our kids the things that they need to learn to do. It's faster to zip their jacket, it's faster to do the laces of their shoes than to wait for them to do all those small things because life is busy and we need to get to the next thing. But we should always be there to help them to learn and become happy and independent. Also, in the long run, if you don't let them learn this week to do their laces, if you keep doing it for them, in 2 months, you will still be there doing their laces. If you spend a bit of time today, a bit of time tomorrow, a bit of time the day after, in 2 months, they will be able to do their laces and you won't be there doing it for them. So try to have a bit of extra time when you are around with your toddlers so that they can learn more. And when they say, I can't do it, don't get annoyed and don't give in. Say, okay, maybe you can't do it yet, but you are learning. So you try to do it, and if you don't manage, I help you. But there is a difference between I help you and I do it for you. So try, and I'm here to help you. If you don't manage, also with toddlers, be patient also when they speak. Sometimes we finish their sentences and we say for them what we understand that they want to say. Be patient and wait for them to say with their words what they want to say. And when they did say it, maybe you can reflect back so that they can hear it in a better said way. But don't say it for them. Let them try. Let them find the words and speak the words. With teenagers, also don't do for them what they can do by themselves and push them to learn to do more. It goes from house chores to independence, going to a shop and choosing the right ingredient for something to cook, helping you to cook because they will need to learn to cook for themselves, by themselves. So tell them, maybe you don't know how to do it yet, but you saw me doing it over and over again. Try, and I'm here to help you if you need help. In this way, you will have an easier life in the long run and you will have independent children earlier than if you did everything for them. What do you think about this, my dear parents? I would love to hear from you. Book your 1 hour complimentary call with me. I can't wait to talk to you. All the best always.